Hey guys, welcome back to PED 110. This week we are continuing our unit on health-related fitness, and we're in our final component, which is body composition. Body composition is exactly what it sounds like, what your body's made of, and primarily we're focusing there on the ratio of fat tissue to lean tissue, like muscle. Okay, so it's a pretty standard week. We've got a checklist, this video, the PowerPoint, the quiz. The one thing that's different this week is that you do not have a lab for this chapter. However, you've got the unit test. This is one of the shorter chapters in our book, so we're going to combine your Chapter 6 quiz for this week, and then you also have the pretty lengthy unit test. As you guys know from the last unit test, it's similar to the quizzes that you've taken. It just covers all of the content since that last unit test. So you'll be covering all of the material on health-related fitness in this unit test. Back to body composition just very quickly. This is the one area where diet really plays a huge role in it. Naturally, the more calories you take in, as we've learned in a previous chapter, then the more weight you're going to gain, unless you're burning those calories through physical activity and exercise. So body composition is pretty simple to take care of. Monitor the calories in and monitor the calories out through increasing the amount of physical activity you have each day. All right, guys, make it a great week. As always, I'm here if you need anything.